What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Toyota Corolla. Today we are going to reset the scheduled maintenance. Okay, if it's saying scheduled maintenance due on the dash, this is how you're going to reset it. We're going to use the buttons you have right here on the steering wheel, and we're going to use this part of the cluster right here. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to scroll over, okay, till you get to the gear symbol you have here. And then you want to scroll down to where it says vehicle settings. Okay, now to enter vehicle settings, you're going to have to press and hold down OK, and right here is vehicle settings. Now you can go down to scheduled maintenance and just push OK. It'll ask you if you want to reset. Go back up, hit OK, and the reset is complete. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate if you'd like and subscribe.